Welcome to our show today. We're going to discuss an interesting question. Who are the most important scientists in the world? And we have 10 amazing scientists who will explain their own greatness. Let's get started.
I am Sir Isaac Newton. I formulated the law of gravity and the three laws of motion that form the basis of classical physics. Through experiments and mathematical analysis, I explained how objects move on Earth and in space. I also developed calculus, which is now the foundation of modern mathematics and widely applied in science and technology.
Amazing, Newton. The laws of motion and gravity really do form the basis of our understanding of physics.
I'm Albert Einstein. I developed the theory of relativity, which changed the way we look at space and time. My special theory of relativity introduced the concept that time and space are not absolute, but rather relative to the speed of the observer. In addition, the general theory of relativity explains gravity as the curvature of space-time caused by mass. My famous equation, E equals mc squared, reveals the relationship between energy and mass, which paved the way for nuclear research and modern technology.
Einstein, your discoveries truly revolutionized physics. Almost all of today's advanced technology has its roots in your theory.
I'm Marie Curie. I discovered two radioactive elements, polonium and radium, and developed research in radioactivity. I was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize, even twice in different fields, physics and chemistry. My research paved the way for the use of radiation in the medical field, especially in radiotherapy to treat cancer. My dedication to science made me willing to work in a laboratory until the end of my life.
Marie Curie, you are truly an amazing scientist. Your dedication and hard work have saved many lives in the medical world.
I'm Charles Darwin. I developed the theory of evolution by natural selection, which changed the way humans understand the origin of life and interspecies relationships on Earth. On my travels aboard HMS Beagle, I observed various species and realized that living things adapt to their environment through a process that takes place over millions of years. My book, On the Origin of Species, laid the foundation for modern biology and the understanding of human evolution.
Darwin, your thinking was truly revolutionary. Your theory helped us understand the diversity of life on Earth.
I am Nikola Tesla. I developed alternating current AC electricity, which is the basis of the modern electric power system. I also made numerous inventions in the fields of electricity and electromagnetism, including electric motors, transformers, and radio technology. I believe that energy should be accessible to everyone without borders, and I created the concept of wireless electricity transmission, which even today is still an inspiration to future scientists.
Tesla, your vision of the future is amazing. Many of your inventions are still being used and developed today.
I am Galileo Galilei. I am the father of modern astronomy and popularized the telescope to observe the sky. I proved that the Earth revolves around the Sun, which was against the common belief at the time. With my telescope, I discovered the moons of Jupiter, the phases of Venus, and sunspots, which reinforced the heliocentric model. Although I faced resistance from the Church, scientific truth eventually prevailed.
Galileo, you are truly a pioneer in astronomy. Without you, we might still believe that the Earth is the center of the universe.
I'm Louis Pasteur. I developed the germ theory, which explains that diseases are caused by microorganisms. My discoveries enabled the development of vaccines and pasteurization techniques, which keep food safe for consumption. I also created the rabies vaccine that has saved many lives. My research proved that many diseases can be prevented through hygiene and vaccination.
Pasteur, you are truly the savior of mankind. Your discoveries in the medical field are so influential today.
I'm Alan Turing. I helped break the Enigma code in World War II, which accelerated the Allied victory. I also laid the foundation for modern computer science with the concept of the Turing machine, which became the basis for the development of computers today. My contributions to artificial intelligence and cryptography continue to be part of the rapidly evolving world of technology.
Turing, without you, perhaps the computer world wouldn't be what it is today. You really are a genius.
I'm Stephen Hawking. I research black holes and quantum cosmology, which provides new insights into the origins of the universe and the nature of time. I discovered that black holes can emit radiation, now known as Hawking radiation. Despite my neurodegenerative disease, I continue to work and spread science to the wider community.
Dr. Hawking, your dedication and perseverance are truly inspirational. You're a living example that physical limitations are no barrier to thinking big. I am Archimedes. I discovered the principle of buoyancy, which explains why objects can float in liquids. I also developed various concepts in math and engineering, including the principle of levers and pulleys. My discoveries are still used in engineering and physics today. Archimedes, your principles are still used in many fields. You were truly a genius in your time. Wow, that's amazing. All the scientists here have made great contributions to the world. But the question remains, who is the most important scientist? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next episode.